Me anopa said it say ya ne penny ba kudi nkomo so eniema no omo je eniema no oman reject because say penny asemasi na penny aba ofie na o se we na me wode ma wa oje na wo bibi kakra wo kira waka de atoso mamrante ne de from afar no de na omo ye ne de of course mamrante ne o mai say Zuba kan ya yeah
Mamenka we Honorable Kennedy Agyapong,
yeah,
former member of Parliament for Ascent Central, to Regional Minister Nkra, and that and a pencil much mukena. Say, Opeso Bissin so. That memenida, Opeso Bissi Regional Minister so, and that memenida.
Akoma FM 87.9
na regional minister so bono amane DSC no so mwabia opeso de boama for the regional minister so emma for and I'm saying that the regional minister is highly delighted at that move.
Me matisa no abedru airport waba nye kumasi o call abritiri waba bedru Kotoka International Airport.
I think that is good.
Yeah, the regional minister Ebuma Maye Nidi, Ebuma.
Hona can be busa because of William Busa said.
But the regional minister is excited that Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is showing genuine leadership.
Yeah.
And will be ready to receive him and brief him so that he can situate himself in proper context.
Number Baumiasi can be famous one. And I want
to minimum Baumiasi can answer.
Oh, so buy all the 200,000.
Minimum. Dear, what boy a man, you boy a man say Obano. No wasem na maker.
Oh, that's a me bisa send the bia.
And no, they see a beer account.
Or the baby, o me buy my catch say Ora Boaje or a contractor Akoma. Am I 5 billion, 500,000. Makeno. And the market say Maslock, see you, my me Abigail, Akoma, or name Minister for Gender, Honorable na Momo. Almost so. Eddie 100,000 omo abutumska enya amaemwa omo abutumska 100,000 Eddie aka minister de no inde say obi ama ebibia kameka aka ho
okay
mbato ata say obi ma ebibia be ka na maka cho say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ama ye nya ne ntiye say oba what I say na oba no o pese osi regional minister so na meko na meka cho say regional minister any also sa Nkra papa no ede abano and regional minister so you ready so be receiving no na o say catch no efa DSC no ho ebia na ono so Honorable Kennedy Agyapong amwa bia ono so wodi ma dwadefo no o the regional minister so obema ne sa
that means we disappointed in Dr. Baumia so one fast approach na
minti min
I'm so we delighted be and so disappointed
one can't be disappointed
asema by doc
delighted
obi delighted obi delighted say you didn't crazy to see e ba and I'm seeing so obi disappointed and I'm bisa
no regional minister kan chem so I disappointed intiminti ka
but we are
so regional minister catch him so I disappointed I make actual but on can chem so I disappointed intiminti country
okay
doc on say obi so delighted that na say ba ko be disappointed
Zuba one critical any information that comes out
no me dey
more
regional minister sentiments na make me carry across it above the regional minister can me me can
go be friend busa me say na ba ne say na nananom regional minister and the former vice president omunyina to be share with a different mission because na regional minister and nananom dey fact finding and away there no say or no more be sympathize with them now here na munyina mutim be share it was something that some would say me
intina me no there no menya nka jai no de no komo ni nhwe de regional minister
okay
because the regional minister found some me no minti
say this time no this a person na want to gumu no this I want to
meet the opposition want to be kabidi
obanso dia
aba be wa na wa hwa no ye
but I think that we follow up na ya share the bc and then mokwa the bc ne bia so no sasingo le bedi